Can philanthropy be a smokescreen for corruption? Welcome to a new investigation where we delve into the murky waters of political intrigue and subterfuge. Picture this: a seemingly altruistic First Lady, Auxilia of Zimbabwe, at the helm of numerous philanthropic programs. Yet the source of funding for these initiatives raises a few eyebrows. Allegations have surfaced of Barbara Ruwadzi, a zealous minister diverting funds from her own ministry to support these charitable ventures. But why would a minister risk her reputation and career to illicitly fund another's charitable work? The answer lies in the complex tapestry of political alliances and power plays. In the public eye, Auxilia's philanthropic initiatives paint a picture of a benevolent leader, dedicated to the welfare of her people. But behind closed doors, it's a different story, a tale of avarice, manipulation, and deceit. Then enters a daring ZANU-PF sympathizer, known only by their online alias, Chimhamhazu. They dared to expose this nefarious activity, shedding light on the alleged corruption between Auxilia and Barbara. The reaction was swift and severe. George Charamba, a name known to many, and an unnamed CIO informer, threatened Chimhamhazu. Intimidation, a tool often used by those who wish to keep their secrets hidden from the public eye. Yet these threats have only served to fan the flames of suspicion. The question remains, what are they trying to hide? And why go to such lengths to silence a lone voice? This investigation is far from over. As the layers of this corruption activity unravel, the truth becomes harder to ignore. Philanthropy, it seems, can be a clever guise for corruption. A mask that allows the guilty to operate in plain sight, while the innocent are none the wiser. Stay vigilant, stay informed. Remember, knowledge is power. And in a world where corruption can hide behind even the noblest of intentions, it's our duty to question, to probe, and to reveal the truth. Because the fight against corruption begins with you,